All right, we're going to start out chapter 3 with some inequalities. They're going to go pretty quick. We're going to introduce to you something called interval notation, which should be new to you. It's just a different way to write an inequality. You've seen this before. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to graph them. Look at this. The question says, graph this on a number line. So we're only dealing with one variable, so it's just a number line, left to right, no up, down. We can use different letters here. I'd used all X's. They could be A's, B's, C's. We're just going one variable on one axis. X is greater than 3. So what you have to do, they're going to give you number lines with no 0, and you have to determine where you want your 0 to be. It doesn't really matter. So on this one, I'm going to put a 0 right here. Now, I have greater than, and then I have greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or less than. We talked about open and closed circles. You've done those in the past. That means if it's open circle, it does not include that number. If it's a closed circle, it means it equals that number. So first thing I'm going to do, positives are over here, remember. Negatives start to the left, just like on an XY axis. I'm going to go to the number 3. I'm going to put an open circle, which means my solution is not equal to 3. Now, as I read this, the symbol is X is greater than. The alligator's eating the X, so it is greater than. So all the numbers that are greater than 3 are which direction? Left or right? There to the right, I'll be going this way. So my solution is any number from here and beyond, and it goes on and on and on forever. So my solutions are 4, 8, 9, 100. Anything to the right would make this true. 99 is greater than 3, whatever. All right. Now, interval notation, what we're going to do is we're going to start from left to right. So our starting value is 3. All right. And our ending value goes on forever, so we use comma, infinity symbol. So once again, we're going from 3 to infinity, left to right. All right. Now, infinity, we always use a symbol that's parentheses, which means it doesn't include it. Now, these open and closed circles are going to have to either be parenthesis or bracket. If it's an open circle, we're going to use a bracket, which, will be a parenthesis. All right. I'm going to go to my next one down here. I'm going to make my 0 right here down the middle. I'm going to do the same thing on this one. All right. X is less than -2. I'm going to put a closed circle this time at -2. And now when I say less than, I'm looking for numbers to make this true, like -3 is less than -2, -5 is less than -2, all the numbers going to the left. And it doesn't take people long to realize that if my variable comes first, if the X is over here, the A or the B, that this kind of tells you which way to go, to the left, to the right. Now the interval on this one is what's on the left. Well, on the left is no number. It goes on and on and on forever. It'll be negative infinity. I'll go like this, parenthesis. But this time the -2 on the right edge has a filled in circle. So that's when we're going to use our bracket. If you understand what I'm saying right now, see if you can pause the video and do these next two without my help. All right, we're back now. At 0 this time. I'm going to use a different color here. I'm going to draw a circle here at 0. I'm going to fill it in because it's equal, meaning 0 can be part of my solution, and this one, -2, can be part of my solution, but here, 3 cannot be part of my solution. Numbers that are greater than 0, once again, go to the right. So any number over here, if I plug it in for X, will make this a true statement. 3 is greater than 0. So once again, starting on the left side is 0. And as it goes to the right, it goes to infinity. Parenthesis, bracket, because it's filled in. Now we go to 5 here. I'm going to put my 0 right here. And then I'm going to start here. And now less than 5 would be all the numbers going to the left. So once again, negative infinity over here. parenthesis, and this time the 5 on the right side is open, so it's parentheses. So once again, close circles, brackets, open circles, parentheses, and all the infinities are always parentheses. All right, what I want you to try now is to try to do the exact opposite. Now you're given the inequality or the interval, graph it and do the inequality. Pause and see if you can do this one on your own.